express the same things, but with different words. We acknowledge the same curve, and those might have hurts. It's like the last line you draw to remind a past time. A fast-minded feeling of freedom, please you be recognized. And I can hear your doctors calling from here to say, kill bias, independency, and I'll kill the seal, cause the young himself is stealthy mass appeal.
Where's my muse? Where's my muse? If it's like every word slipping through my mouth has been used, staggering like the old man feeding a third. With my past I reflecting half the things that I've learned. A windowless frame in a transparent room, filling up cracks with plastic assumes. Shape shift, nuance, venue. Don't stop dreaming cause this ain't over. Break up your life until you get sober. Don't stop dreaming cause this ain't over, my friend. Don't stop dreaming cause this ain't over. Break up your life until you get sober. Don't stop dreaming cause this ain't over, my friend.
I risen myself as I walk along the weary, moldy, watching